What's up, y'all? It's been 4 months. I think 3. I don't know. It's been a minute. I dropped my last video. Dropped the Acv Rinse, something like that. But look, it's the part 2 right here. I got the part 2 Acv Rinse. I bought some because last time I didn't do a baking soda, so I got baking soda this time right here. And being honest with y'all, if y'all want a dread update, here it is. That's how the dread's looking now. Whatever, it's the dreads. But yeah, so the reason I'm doing it, because y'all can see like that white stuff in my hair, like, I can't see that. It's like white stuff right there. I think it's, I don't know, man, but, and I got cap, I got dandruff, my guy, like, that's probably too much info, but yeah, I got dandruff, I got some residue or whatever, so I might get that cleared up with this Acv Rinse, and yeah, let's get it. All right, y'all, so I made the rinse. Basically, is use baking soda, use Acv. I used about a third of the bag. Use about a third of the bag. Acv. Used. And yeah, put my hair in here for about 10-15 minutes, and I'll be back to show y'all. Alright, it's finished, and shit, I already look way better. Let's see. No, that white stuff is gone. Oh no, they look cleaner now. Yeah, but anyways, yeah, I finished, and I don't know, I feel better. It looked cleaner. It looked better. It looked clean. It definitely feel better than the last time. And yeah, that's about it. That's about it. So if you want